Meron ako nakitang daga guys. Habang nagtutoasted ako ng pandesal. Tingnan natin guys ito guys. Ayun guys, nagpipili yan guys. Oh guys, napakaliit guys. Cute guys yun guys. It's sweet. Sweet. Nawakaw guys. Mayroon pa siyang mata guys. Tingnan nyo guys. Ayun guys, napakaliit guys. Look natin guys. So sweet. It's sweet. Kawawa siya guys. Oh guys. Ayan siya guys. Kawawa siya guys. Napakalit pa na guys. Parang gutom ito guys ha. Saan ka ito galing? At saka yung kanyang ina. Wait. Dito lang natin siya ilalagay guys. Dito sa may daspan guys. Dito na lang guys pag habang pa nakatago. Diyan ka na. Sige, lakad ka na. Ayan guys, naglalakad siya guys. Ay, kawawa naman guys. Ay guys, kawawa guys. Baka dito siya galing guys, oh. Yun, oh, may pugod guys. Titingnan natin guys. Wala guys. Wala siya guys. Wala sa lang. Yun guys, wala. Ito guys, dyan guys. Yung guys na may butas. May butas guys. Baka din nahulog siya. Mama sa ama.